Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Chase. And we're back in the kitchen for a Hayden Australian meat pie challenge. It's on the oven, or on the stove right now, as you can see. And we'll be back to see what it tastes like when it's done. Okay everybody, got the meat with all the stuff, made some gravy. Then they're gonna go into these pie crust. I know they don't look that great, but I'm a Southern boy from Louisiana with a Hawaii call that lives in Virginia making Australian meat pies. So we'll see how it tastes here in a little bit. Gotta wait for this to cool, and then I can put them in here, then I can top them, and then I can cook them for 8-9 more minutes, let them cool again, and then we can eat them. All right, we'll be back. All right, so I'm joined here with Melissa and Joe, and we got our Australian meat pie here. We're gonna crack that open here in just a second and give it a taste. But what's more American to do an Australian meat pie challenge than to have some Coors Light and some American flags? All right, so, and then you got to throw your obvious Australian accent out there and be like, that's not a knife, this is a knife. All right, so anyways, I thought they were supposed to be like bite size, but this one's pretty big. So I'm gonna cut it up and serve it out, and then we're gonna test it. I used the Food Network recipe for this, so yeah, we'll see how it is. That's not very good. That wasn't a good cut. Y'all just gonna sit there, or y'all gonna talk, or what?
I don't know.
So I'm kind of excited to try this out and see how it tastes.
All
They
right.
smell pretty good while cooking, so
All right. So some of the meat fell out there. There's that.
thank you.
There's that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. So, whoop, whoop.
You're falling out
Some more
everywhere.
meat.
I got it. All right. So here it is. Here's our taste test of the Australian meat pie. It kind of fell apart. So,
Australian meat pies should probably be my beer, I guess, and yours as well.
all right. Let's try this out.
It's good.
So,
It's good. Good flavor.
yeah. It's a little different than say like an empanada or something of that sort. You use cubed beef. Cubed beef is what we use, and then you put the ingredients in a pan, or you roll it in flour or whatever, and then you sear it a little bit. Then you throw your Worcestershire, your soy sauce. Oh no, I'm sorry. You threw your garlic and your onion in there. You seared that up, cooked it down a little bit. Then you threw in your Worcestershire sauce, your soy sauce, coriander, which I've never had before, and celery seed. I don't think I've ever had that before either.
It's quite interesting to watch you make it too.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I think this is a success. All right. Well,
It's pretty good.
if anybody else has any challenges out there, bring it. We'll cook it and we'll eat it, and we'll see what happens. So, a little bit of cheers. You drink it before we cheers, dude. All right. All right. Appreciate it. We'll catch you next time.